Welcome back. I hope last video about properties of shapes was interesting. Today we are continuing the same topic, properties of shapes. Today we will see some other shapes and their properties. So let's get started. First one, pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. Not all pentagons are alike, okay? Some pentagons will have equal sides. So the pentagon that you see here is called a regular pentagon. All the sides of this pentagon are equal in length. But it can be unequal as well. The sides and the angles can be equal, can be unequal. But still we will call them as pentagon as far as they have 5 sides and 5 angles and it is a closed shape. I hope you understand. So the pentagons that have unequal sides and unequal angles are called irregular pentagons. All the interior angles of a regular pentagon are equal to 108 degrees. Okay? Interesting, right? Let's move on to the next one. Cylinder. Pretty cylinder, right? A cylinder has one curved surface. Can you see the surface here? It looks curved? Yes. So the cylinder has one curved surface, 2 curved edges. This is one edge and this is another edge. So one on the top, one on the bottom. 2 curved edges and 2 flat circular faces. Can you see this face? This is one face, the other one is at the bottom. So it has 2 circular faces. The base and the top of the cylinder are identical. So the base circle and the top circle, they will be identical, similar in shape and size. Okay? The line passing from the center of the cylinder, can you see the line? This is the line passing through the center of the cylinder and this line has a name. Okay, we cannot just call it line of a cylinder. What is it called? It is called axis of the cylinder. So this line is known as axis of the cylinder. Got it? Interesting. New things to learn. Let's move ahead with the next one. Cube. A cube has 8 corners. 8 corners? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? So 8 corners, 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Got it? You can take a dice in your hand and you can count by yourself if it makes easy for you. Okay? So it has 8 corners, 12 edges and 6 faces. This is the front face 1, back face 2, side face 3, side left face 4, bottom face 5 and upward face 6. Alright, it has all its faces in a square shape. So all the faces of a cube are square in shape. The edges opposite to each other are always parallel. This edge and this edge will be parallel. This and this will be parallel. Similarly, all the edges are parallel to each other. Okay? And the angles are right angles. Got it? Very easy, very interesting. Let's move on to the next shape, cuboid. All faces are rectangle shaped for a cuboid. Okay? Opposite faces and opposite edges of a cuboid are equal. Remember, opposite faces, this face and the back face will be equal. The up face and the down face will be equal. The right face and the left face will be equal. Okay? So all the opposite faces and the opposite edges, they are also equal. And the angles are always at right angles. So this is all about cuboid. Who is the next one? Sphere. A sphere is symmetrical from all directions. Okay? This is a three-dimensional shape or object that is round in space. The sphere has no edges, no vertices, no angles. All the surface points of the sphere are at equal distance from the center. So all the points on the sphere are equal distance from the center. Got it? So this is all about sphere. Next one, cone. A very interesting thing about cone is that it has a unique thing that all other shapes doesn't have. It is called apex. This one. This is the apex of the cone or vertex point. Okay? And it has one curved surface. Can you see this surface? Just like cylinder, cone also has one curved surface and one circular base. For a cylinder, it has two circular bases, but for a cone, we have one circular base, one apex and one edge. Got it? The axis of a cone, can you see the straight line? This is the axis. So the axis of a cone is the straight line that passes through the apex. That's it. Congratulations, we finished properties of shapes here. In my next video, we are going to see a new topic. Much interesting topic. Until then, sleep well, eat well, study well, and of course, play well. Bye-bye.